This is me at the end of the video. If you don't want to watch the whole how-to and you just want to like skip to the end and watch it, the edited sequence is on screen right now. That's the time code. You saw the title, you know what this is, you know where we're at. At this point, I personally don't know the title. I'm here with my intern, Jack. B-roll, Jack, B-roll. We're here with his girlfriend. We're filming a short film, and it's kind of a styled shoot kind of thing. But as a production company, one of the things I'm aiming for is making short films. This is gonna be like a 30 to 90 second short film. I'm a really big believer in letting the cinematography be one of the larger parts of what carries the story. So that's what this is. It'll be like 5 shots. We'll show the landscape. We'll show how beautiful it is. I've actually already shot one time here before with Jack. This is him at the top of one of the cliffs here. We shot a rock climbing video with our buddy Noah. This is him. Look at him, he's a total beauty. But yeah, that's what we're doing here today, boys. I think I'm gonna go handheld. You can actually get away with it if you do minimalistic movements. If you want to have movements, I'm talking a short parallax. I learned this from my mentor. Aperture affects lens flares.
Your aperture affects your sun flares.
So I'm gonna shoot this between 4 to 6. This is a 24 to 72.8. I'm gonna keep my shutter speed right around 125, and I'm shooting everything in 60 frames per second. I'll edit it on a 24 frames per second timeline, and that will allow me to go down to 40% if I want a speed ramp. Right now I'm just gonna get a shot of her walking through this stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and get some wide shots of her out there. Go to the end point so I can have my focus set to it. So wherever you're gonna end up, go ahead and go there. Set your focus for where they're gonna be and not where they are. I just got a video of her dress and her getting stuck. That's good. Let's do one walking away and then one walking towards me, and I was not ready for that. Okay, I am showing you guys right now how you can imitate a gimbal movement. If you're at a higher focal length, right now I'm at 70, I can see just a swarm of insects flying directly above some grass, and I can only see that because the light is leaking through that that tree's branches. So I'm gonna get a shot of that. Dead battery, that's why I always carry 3. For anyone who might be wondering what I carry in this backpack, my camera with a 24 to 70. And I always keep the mic in there. Let's walk and talk. I keep 2 lav mics. I also carry a 70 to 200. That's a telephoto. That's really good for sports and for when you have to film someone up close but from far away. I also keep a nifty 50, which goes down to like 1.8 aperture, which here's a shot of something that was shot with that lowest aperture on the nifty 50. Pretty cool bokeh, huh? I don't even know what I showed, but I showed it. I keep the kit lens in the bag. The reason I keep the kit lens with me goes all the way down to 18. Here's a shot that I shot on the kit lens. Tell me you can tell that it's a kit lens, because my clients couldn't and I can't. Ryan, what if we had you like sit down, but like at the top of like that little, like the top of that hill? Can you believe these bugs? If you could see the bugs, comment. Not for any particular reason, I just want the engagement. Okay, Ryan, go ahead and pop a squat. Say now, look over here. And then we're gonna do that the other way. You'll be looking over here, and then when I say now, you'll do that. I just switched over to the 70 to 200. I want some foreground, but I also want it to be like up close to her. You're seeing what the camera's seeing right now. Let me know what you think of that. Ryan, look off to the right. The hardest hurdle when you're working with these like higher focal length, the like smallest twitch in your hand, big shift of where your focus is. Here's an example. You're seeing what I just saw. I love that for a background, and I want it to be as blurry as possible. So this is gonna be a moment where I'm gonna go down to 2.8. I'm gonna sacrifice my shutter speed. I'm gonna take it up to a little over 300. I'm putting it at 320, and it's gonna be a tracking shot. So I'm gonna walk with her. We're fighting time against the sun. We're fighting my patience with these absolute swarms of bugs that I really hope are showing on the camera. Like, this is bad. They're flying into my mouth, they're flying into my ears, they're flying into my eyeballs. But this was a short video. All I wanted was a few clips that look really cinematic that I can color grade the heck out of. I just recently met one of the absolute titans of the industry, Will Sarmiento. Here's a screenshot of the Zoom call. I got a couple really good takeaways from him. One of them was he doesn't shoot in log. I didn't shoot any of this in log. You so far have seen everything without any color grade. You've just seen it straight out of the camera. At the end of the video, you'll see what it looks like with the color grade. None of it was shot in log. It's my lucky day. We were gonna do one more shot. Then we saw these beautiful little flowers, which kind of match her dress. So I'm gonna have Ryan go on the other side of those flowers, and I'm just gonna get a quick couple candid shots of her. Good God, dude. Couple quick shots of her through the flowers. After that, we're just gonna have her frolic in this field, and we're gonna GTFO. Look at me. Look down. Look up. Look towards that field. Look at me. We're gonna have our model go ahead and step into this field, and then Ryan, what I'm gonna have you do is whatever you qualify as frolic, it's up to you.
Okay.
We're just gonna have you frolic one time down, one time up. Oh, are you filming? I do have some monologuing to do.
Yeah.
If you want to see any more of these types of videos, I'm going to be doing them, so if you want to suggest one, go for it. If you don't want to suggest one, what the heck, dude? Come on. If you want to see the edited sequence of this video, it's going to play right now. There are videos of mine on screen right now. Tap on one to watch it.